Are you a realtor looking to speed up your home sales? Let's face it, first impressions matter, and a clean slate is the canvas where dreams are painted. Imagine walking into a home that sparkles, where every corner shines and invites buyers to envision their future. That's where TidyTex Home Cleaning comes in. As a proud, veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we specialize in transforming properties into irresistible showcases that captivate potential buyers. Our reliable team understands the importance of quick turnarounds, especially when preparing homes for those pivotal open houses or buyer visits. We'll ensure your listings have that wow factor that not only impresses, but also accelerates offers. And here's a tidy tip. Boost a home's appeal without spending a dime by opening all blinds and turning on lights before showings. A well-lit space creates warmth and comfort, highlighting the property's best features and making it feel inviting. For more details on how we can make your listing shine and help you close deals faster, check the video description for our website, phone number, and email. Make your home the one that sells. Contact TidyTex today.